Okay. Focus, white balance. Shh, shh. Good. Now in this video, I'll give you 5 reasons why you should consider getting the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So keep watching. Now, since the introduction of the previous generation Galaxy Buds, this new Plus variant is not an ordinary update like some companies tend to do when they go from one generation to another, as there are lots of updated reasons why you should grab it right now, and here's my top reasons why. Now, the first reason would be its small and compact form factor. Now, the only similarities between the both is of course the form factor. Like the previous generation, the size of this buds is nice and compact, which makes it easier to fit in your pocket compared to some way expensive options which tends to be larger on its size. And speaking of size, although that this does not have a high IP rating, I find that using these buds in the gym was super nice and snug while working out, and there's not a single point of time where I felt that I needed to push the earbuds back in my ears, which tend to happen when I use other earbuds as well. So changing tracks and pausing a track was super easy. And I have to say that I love this glossy piano-like finish on this new Plus variant compared to the matte finish on the previous Galaxy Buds as well. And for the second reason, it's the brand new speakers for the earbuds. Now, not only the previous generation Galaxy Buds, but even more earbuds within this price range or even more pricier than the Buds Plus tends to have just a single speaker which drives all the music out, but this brand new Galaxy Buds Plus has 2 speakers, which is a single tweeter and also a woofer on each buds. Now this means there's a proper distribution for the sound with better highs and mids to even lows, as well as it is projected from 2 separate speakers to ensure you get a great balanced sound, since it is tuned by AKG even though it has a small form factor. Next is the improved microphone quality. Now I have to be honest to say that I don't usually use the earbuds to answer phone calls usually, since I don't accept phone calls when I'm working out. But if you really need to answer or make phone calls, I found there is a huge improvement in terms of microphone quality, since there is now a total of 3 microphones, 2 on the outside and 1 inside of the earbuds. So yes, if you guys use the earbuds during your working or studying commute where you need to answer phone calls, you have the better confidence of answering your phone calls without worrying about the other person being able to listen to your voice. Then as for the fourth reason is the seamless connectivity within multiple devices. While many other earbuds also comes with Bluetooth 5.0, I did find that not only pairing with your devices is super fast, but pairing and unpairing between multiple devices to be quite fast and seamless and easy. So switching from my phone to my PC or between my phone to the screen of the treadmill in the gym to be very easy. And what's great is that once I'm done, I can just take out the earbuds from my ears and store it in the case, and it turns off by itself without me worrying about manually turning off the earbuds. And as for the fifth and final reason is the amazing battery. Now here's where the earbuds beats any other earbuds out there, where Samsung claims that you can get up to 11 hours of playback when the earbuds are fully charged, but I got a total of 11 hours and 15 minutes, which I was totally surprised, as that was more than half of its previous generation and compared to any other earbuds within this price range and quality. Yes, there's no active noise cancellation, which makes the earbuds to have a longer battery, but for me, I'll choose a better battery than noise cancellation, especially since the earbuds do fit in snugly in my ear canals, as mentioned earlier, to give you a very good passive noise cancellation. And on top of that, the charging case gives you another fully charged earbuds, which gives you double the hours of battery life, which to me is really amazing, and I'm sure you guys would agree too. Oh, speaking of battery life again, the ability to charge the earbuds wirelessly is also great for its price range, as I could always put it to charge wirelessly on my desk, since my desk has a wireless built-in charger. Now one last honorable mention is of course the ambient mode. Now this mode is good to be aware or even engaged at your surroundings, but as mentioned, I mainly use these earbuds for working out and I tend not to use this feature, but this feature would be beneficial for you if you have a very long commute to your work or even your class. So yes guys, there you have it. Those are my 5+1 reasons why you should consider getting the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. And if you guys are interested to get yourself one, I'll leave links at the description below, as it comes with a very good price of 599 ringgit and is available in glossy white, #white love, and glossy black. So with this, do let me know what you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Would you guys get it? Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.